Last but not least, we arrive to our final phase, our control phase. Here, we want to make sure that all of the improvements we have implemented to our process are sustainable. We want to make sure that before we close the project, before we leave as a project manager, that everything is working fine and that we can really give over all of the instructions to the subject matter experts in case the performance should go down at some point of time, that they will be empowered to look control plan. They will be empowered to check what are the things we need to do to put the process back in place, to bring back the performance the way it should be. And therefore, that's the main reason we do the control plan. And the control plan is one of those phases that is not done very often in a classical project management style or in a project management method. And therefore, this is another phase which brings Six Sigma to become one of the most successful project management methods I have seen so far, because not only of the analyze phase, but also because of the control phase. And here, first step is to implement the control charts and control plan to make sure that the performance level will be sustained. And therefore, again, very statistically proven that we can see what is actually quality for our process defined by our client and how can we control it. So we'll have also internal control limits where we know we should not exceed or overpass these control limits, because then we will have our client noticing those defects. And second point here, set escalation process in case of performance levels should change. So therefore, if we leave as a project manager, then we know that the subject matter experts will know what to do in case there should be a decrease in quality levels. Then on the third point, we will create the standard operating procedures and make the standards out of them. And as a last point, project closure and confirm the project impact. And this will be done not only with our sponsor, but also with finance. Finance needs to make sure that the improvements done are sustainable. They need to make sure that they really brought a specific impact for the organization.